Now, also news that we are getting is that a big black money purge may run up to some legal scrutiny now. The centre has now lodged a legal plea in the Supreme Court seeking to be informed about any such petition and hearing. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court against the government earlier. The move to demonetize has been questioned. The Supreme Court is expected to hear this petition next time, which claims a purge of 500 and 1,000 rupee notes are causing suffering to lakhs of private hospitals, which have said that they can't accept the old currency under the government's new guidelines. My colleague Anusha is joining us on the story. So Anusha, the legal hurdle remains, and many such petitions is what we're looking at, which are being filed in the Supreme Court. Two lawyers of Bombay High Court have also pleaded before the court to take up the case on its own motion.
Well, clearly, yes, the litigation in, controversial and big steps that the government takes is a very, suggestible move that may or likely come. And that's what you see at the Supreme Court. I mean, the two petitions which have come right now have not even been numbered. The formalities are still to be done. However, today in the hearing in the Supreme Court in the morning when the mentioning was done, the government counsels were present. The government has filed a caveat in the Supreme Court that if there is any petition regarding the demonetization, then the government must be heard before passing any orders. What the Supreme Court has, expressed its intent is very clear that on Tuesday it may take up the petition. But, in matters like these, time is a very crucial factor. We'll have to wait and watch how the situation is till Tuesday and will there be, any legal intervention that may happen. Even if it happens, it could be, not on the principal decision of the government of demonetization, but to give help to the people who are facing inconvenience, especially in the private hospitals.
All right, Anusha, thanks for joining us with all those details. We'll come back to you as the day progresses. But let's take our viewers through that how there is a continuous rush outside the banks that have opened today to exchange the currency. If you have a 500 or 1,000 rupee note, you can go to your nearest bank or post office. But many banks are facing trouble to control the crowd. The security has also been called in. Take a look at what's the situation.
On Thursday morning, long queues, chaos and confusion. Like this. Outside literally every bank. This is Kanhaiya bank, DDCA branch, and you can see people are actually
अपने आगे कोई नहीं लगने देगा।
कंफ्यूजन हो रही है भैया।
कंफ्यूजन बड़ी तगड़ी हो रही है, लाइन लग रही है पैसों के लिए, सब बीच में घुसे जा रहे हैं। देखो आप।
You see that people are actually wanting to come ahead. से आप खड़े हुए हैं।
ये गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट, ये मेरे आगे हैं, उन्होंने मेरे ऊपर उन्होंने स्लैप किया है। आई वांट टू फायर FIR। आप कमरे से ये। आप दोनों बंदे FIR कर रहे हैं। मैं लाइन में
बात होगा।
आराम से। अरे यार क्या है?
आप पहले खड़े हुए थे लाइन में।
बाद में आगे लगे हुए। स्टिक कवरेज दो।
बांटने वाला अंदर खड़ा ना तो बाहर बुलवाओ। सारी फैसिलिटी वहीं से हो रही है।
कोई इमरजेंसी में पैसे चाहिए आपको क्या? पैसे की जरूरत है?
दूध पानी को दवाई को पैसे नहीं तो क्या करें फिर? इमरजेंसी सभी की खाने पीने के पैसे नहीं है,
खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं है, खाने के लिए पैसे नहीं है,
बच्चे परेशान है, आटा नहीं दाल नहीं
कुछ नहीं है मेरे पास।
तो पैसा भी टूटा कराने आया?
यहीं से पैसे निकाल के ले गए थे, सब 1000 का नोट मुझे दे दिया 3 दिन 4 दिन पहले। अभी ये देखिए मेरा पासबुक, ये सब 1000 के दिए हैं। जब इनको पता था ऐसा होना था, ये क्यों दे दिए मेरे को? वो पैसा मैं चेंज करवाने आया हूँ, ये देखिए।
ठीक है, समझ गए। तो अभी चेंज नहीं हो रहा है क्या भैया?
कहाँ कोई दे रहा है, ये देखिए।